Hey people, this is another video for the channel, and today's video I'm gonna tell you how to download English subtitles. So if you don't have a Netflix account or a pay TV, so you're just like me, we have to download everything from the internet, the movies and the TV series. So usually when we download them, they usually come with a Portuguese subtitles. And in the beginning it's okay, we can watch with the Portuguese subtitles, but as the time goes by we have to get rid of our comfort zone and move to a different level, like change from Portuguese subtitles to English subtitles. So how do we do this? I'm gonna tell you guys. I have two websites right here. I'm gonna write down the link in the comments below, in the description, so basically here what you have to do is to write down the name of the movie or TV series, and then you are gonna able to download the subtitles in English. Let's take a look. It's pretty easy. You can type the name, or you can just click on the picture on the link and click on download. See, and then you download it. This website right here, you're gonna have to register to this. It's pretty easy. Basically, they're gonna ask your email, your password, and a nickname. So it's really quick. And this is another one. You're gonna not need to register. So it's the same thing. You can type the name of the TV series right here, and what you have to do is click on the link and choose between English or Portuguese. It's time to get rid of our comfort zone and stop watching movies and TV series with Portuguese subtitles, don't you think? So if you guys know more websites like this where we can download the subtitles in English, please share the link in the comments below. It's gonna help us a lot. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.